Good day, traders and investors. This is Total Investor, and on this YouTube investment channel, what we normally do is that we discuss chart patterns for stocks, commodities, and even cryptos. And today we are going to be doing cryptocurrencies. Okay, I know I haven't been doing that in a while, so this is for all you. I have not forgotten you, and we will be looking at 8 crypto charts using the buy sell indicator. Okay, please keep in mind that everything I say should be thought of as educational and should not be thought of as financial advice. Okay, by the way, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so now. That way you will be notified by YouTube when a new video is published. Okay, just click on the subscribe button and you are set. Okay, so again, just before we go any further, I just want to make sure that you are aware that there's a lot has been going on with the markets. We've had like some nice movements in crypto, but it looks like a lot of the chart patterns are looking very familiar, or similar, I should say, to one another. And we're going to go through them one at a time. There's 8 of them, and I'm going to be doing this in alphabetical order, starting off with Cardano. Okay, and this is always with the US dollar and several months worth of charts time frame. Okay, again, this is only using the buy sell indicator that I've indicated in the past few videos. Okay, this one, Cardano, has given just 3 signals. For the original buy was down here. Unfortunately, it's been cut off, but that was profitable because it was sold here in early January. Saved us a few cents. It was a buy again in late January. We rode it all the way up to the top until we got to around 70 cents, and that was a sell. That was in mid-March, and it's been a sell ever since then. We've got a little bit of support at around 57.5, which is where we are right now, but it's not looking good. If it breaks down below this, well, we get down to possibly the mid 40s. Okay, so again, this was a sell about 2 weeks ago, and it's still a sell right now. Cardano. Next is Avalanche, AVAX. We've got a an upward trending trend line going back from November, even actually it looks even October, which was where the original buy was. That was profitable because we got the sell back in late December. Saved us a few points, a few dollars here. Then give us another buy signal. We got a little bit of a head fake here, but this last buy was very profitable, about $15, or actually $10 to $15, and we got a sell back in the very first trading day of April, and it's been a sell since then. We've got a little bit of support on this trend line, and unfortunately we've got, if you look at the volume, that has really dropped dramatically. Not really a good sign. Okay, so that is Avalanche. Next is Binance, BNB. Profitable trading here, buying and selling. A few bucks here. Moved across for the next couple of weeks, and then a great profitable signal here in early February at just below 320, all the way up to just below $600. Almost a double. Not quite, but still pretty good for less than 2 months worth of a trade. And right now we've got ourselves in a little bit of a triangle pattern. Normally this is like the halfway point from the original move. We will see. But right now we've got that indicator giving us a sell. We will know for sure after it breaks out from either the upside or the downside of these trend lines. Okay, keep in mind volume is also decreasing, as it is for just about all of them. Okay, that is Binance. Next we've got Bitcoin, BTC, a little bit of a sideways pattern. Again, this, I've said this many times, this indicator does not work very well when we've got some tight patterns and consolidation, But after we get ourselves like in a good trend line like this one here that began in late January from 40,000 all the way up to I believe that's about 67, 66,000. Okay, a nice move for a month and a half. Okay, finally we got another buy, and then 2 days later we get a sell. We are still into sell, although we've got some support here at around 60,000. We'll see if that holds. So just take this one day at a time. This is probably one of the strongest of the cryptos to trade. Okay, Bitcoin. So again, it did issue a sell, though we do have 2 green candles for the last 2 trading days. So a little bit hopeful on that one if that can change. Next is Dogecoin, DOGE. We've got the last trading signal was a buy. That was like late March. Made the new highs. Unfortunately, it couldn't hold those new highs, so it broke down, and this does not look very promising here. Those who were using, maybe an RSI or something like that, and you would have seen a negative divergence, which would have been bearish. So those who were just quick on their feet would have probably gotten out by now. This has not given the sell signal as of yet, but we could be there any day now. We do have some support here at around $15.50, $16, and that'll probably be the final level before you really need to get out. Okay, that's Dogecoin. Next is Ethereum, ETH. Going back to, this is somewhat similar to Bitcoin. The last buy came back, gave us a buy at just around 2,400 in early February. The sell at around 3,800. Nice move percentage-wise for just over a month's worth of trading. It's been giving us a little bit of a problem ever since then. Since that sell came back down to just over 3,000, a bounce, and now we are on some support at I believe that's around 3,200, and we have again a little bit further support further down there at just above 3,000. Will it hold? That remains to be seen, but again, we're still in using this the sell way back in about half a month ago. Okay, so still bearish on Ethereum. Next, Solana. Ever since we broke through this triangle here in the first day of March, that was a good buy that we ended up getting, and since then we got ourselves into a triangle. We got a sell signal as of today. It has not broken below this trend line, but once we do break that, you should really be getting out of that. And also keep in mind, look at the volume. It has really broken down, ever since it topped out. Okay, so this is looking more and more bearish. Solana, and I think this is the last one, XRP. We've got an upwards movement here. I drew the trend line from February. The last buy signal was back on mid-February at around 54 cents. Rode it all the way up to 75 cents, but we got a sell in the low to mid 60s. And right now, so it was a small profitable trade, but luckily, for those who got out in time, saved you a couple of cents. And right now, we are pretty much on or just slightly below that trend line. Those who are still in this should be looking to get out. Okay, so that is it for all 8 of the cryptos, which I just specifically chose the most popular ones that people are looking at, are following, are trading, want to know more of. So that's that on this particular, or using this particular buy-sell indicator. Hopefully, I will continue to bring this to you. I'm not sure how often, but again, as I said, subscribe to the channel and you will be notified when I do another video on the cryptos using this indicator. It has been very profitable so far. I think that it will continue to be profitable. So, we'll just take it one day at a time. Also, if you like this video, big thumbs up and comments down below. And I will see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.